My name is Dick at Blackdog Speed Shop. Today we're working on a 69 Mustang Shelby. We're installing a Gen 3 Coyote motor, which is a brand new Coyote motor, 16 injector motor. So some of the work that we did on this to fit this monster was we had to move the firewall back 2 inches. And then I inserted an area to fit the computer in the firewall, which is easy access. We also took out the stock shock towers and made custom replacement panels to increase the width to fit this motor. Now we're going to lower it down inside and see if all our work was correct. And it's a success. As you can see, this motor took up all the space in this engine bay. These modifications were a must to do to fit this motor in this engine bay. Next step will be put the transmission up from underneath, because that's tight also.